Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montague County in north central Texas, west central Cooke County in north central Texas, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Stoneburg, or near Bowie, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Bowie, Nakoma, St. Joe, and Stoneburg. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 2.